Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to cover how to comment on a Google Doc, and in the left screen you're going to notice I'm in Safari signed in as Eddie.Nemec, and in the right screen I'm signed in as Edward.Nemec in the Chrome browser. Now I have invited Edward.Nemec to this doc, which you saw in the previous sharing video, and you notice up in the top right corner it shows you who all is in the document. This is really helpful if you have multiple people working on a single doc to know who is what and that they are on the document working with you. You'll see in the right document, you can see Edward.Nemec sees where I am as well. Now, if you'll notice, if I'm in the left screen and I click, you'll see on Edward.Nemec's screen, he sees where I'm at with my cursor, which is very helpful when you're collaborating. In the right screen, you'll see where I click over here on the left, it shows where Edward.Nemec is clicking. So both people on the document have a sense of where each other is at. So now if I'm the teacher on the left or the collaborator and I want to make a comment, I'll just highlight something in the text, and there are 4 ways you can add a comment. The easiest way is to just go ahead and right click what you highlighted and say comment. Or if your screen resolution is large and you can see everything on the screen, you can just come over to the plus sign and click add a comment. Or you can go to comment and say add a comment, or you can go to insert and add a comment. So those are the 4 ways you can add a comment. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick comment right now and say right click comment, and I'm just going to type example. Now you'll notice on the right screen the student sees that comment, and if they click on that highlighted text, it drags that comment over to the left. Now the student can say, I need help with blank. All right, and then they'll hit reply. Notice that over here, I'll click on this, and I can see that the student has replied to my comment, and then I can provide more feedback and give that to the student. Now the neat thing is as I keep adding comments, it keeps building. And I'm just trying to give you an example of a situation. So the student can click on this comment and notice how it brings up that comment, and notice how it brings up this comment. So in this tutorial, I just basically showed you the 4 ways that you could create a comment, and then how that commenting chat looks like when you're using it in a Google Doc. Now note the student as well can highlight something and right click and comment and say, is this right? I'm just making this up, and hit comment. And again, the student has the right to comment as well, just like you as the teacher. So it's not just one person can comment. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. In the next tutorial, I'm going to cover how you manage these blog scripts in the chat, and also how to add notifications and everything. Thank you so much for watching.